lahat sa screen! Let's go! Ayumi, a winner of
Simon!
1,000 pesos! Chucky! 5 winners! Tama, no? Pwede lang. Dahil after ng mainit na panahon, napakasarap ang halo-halo. Pagsikat, kami pangalan. Kasi lahat kasama. Okay, right now we are down to last 800. Our lucky winner of 1,000 worth of Chucky GC. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Nakikita niyo ba ang pangalan niyo? 5 winners! 5 winners! 5 winners! Winners down to 13! Sila ay sila! Congratulations! Rona Agustin! John Santiago! John Turbo! RJ Santa Rosa! And Justin Tano! Okay?
Siyempre, meron na tayong second set of raffles. Yung legend natin, Master of M-Power. Total of 3 winners ito, mga partner.
Alright! Let's start!
So, randomizer starts now.
3 winners!
3 winners of Master of M-Power.
Salamat po, Empower!
To M-Power. Meron na Master of M-Power. Total of 3 winners.
Kobe! Ang taas nyo!
Now!
Grabe, napakainip.
There you have it, Gabriel Rojas, John Eric Beltran, Lea Javier de la Paz. Congratulations!
Next! Para sa third set, ang ating pledges for raffle, meron tayong tumbler. And right now, we're gonna proceed with our grand winner for the raffle, which is yung 55 inches TV natin. And a brand new motorcycle!
With complete gear.
Alright, so ang lalabas dito sa screen ay dalawang mananalo ng 55 for 8 TV. Okay? Yun ang lalabas. Inawin po natin dalawang mananalo para sa major raffle natin. Dalawang mananalo ng 55
Kobe!
Okay? Dalawa. Ayan natin. Now to for 100. At ang mga nanalo, ang dalawang nanalo na TV ay
55 inches TV to.
ay pwede nyo lang iuwi yun dahil nandito sa stage. Ay, so lucky winner, Mr. Raul Calma! Okay? For our grand raffle. Okay, so ganito po ang mechanics for our grand raffle. So out of 2,009 crew, ang eligible na makalala ng mabubunot ay yung nandito. So we will select one winner from all of the giant crews and you must be here to win our video. Here! Win! Para mag-win na nila. I-win